welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. Today we are going to unbox a new CCTV camera which I've just purchased. I would tell you the price. This is also inexpensive and you can purchase it on Amazon. This is a true security systems camera. It's a CCTV camera where you can just keep it on any other desk or anything and you can monitor the whole home. It works on Wi-Fi. It has 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. There's an alarm and it's a two-way talking security camera. There's cloud sync and you get 30 days of free cloud recording also, and this is a made in India product. There's no Chinese part or anything. This is a true innovation for Indians. So there's unlimited storage over here, seamless playback. You can record in a very good stream over here. I would show you that the next time, but now I'll just be doing the unboxing for this. And in case after 30 days you want to continue the cloud, you can go ahead and pay for it, or you can just use a memory card. It does support that. So now let me just show you the other side also over here. So you do have an option for all time color. It will not show in infrared during the night time. It will show in color. It has a light also for that, so that's an advantage over here. And as you can see, there's pan and tilt. It can move 360 degrees up, down, left. There are 3 night vision modes over here. That is an IR mode, a smart mode, and full color mode, which I was talking about. It has a smart AI based human tracking. It will track only human and not objects. And it has a mobile app for live playback and storage up to 256 GB, or the cloud storage. You get notifications on app, and audio recording also is there, 2 megapixel video, high quality video. As you can see, it has 3 modes. I'll show you that again. This is the black and white mode, that's the IR mode, this is the smart mode, and this one is the color mode. So both you can use the smart and color mode also for your recording. So okay, let's go ahead and tie it open, and I'll show you one important thing which I said and you wouldn't have believed it, but let me show you that. Made in Bharat. This is why I bought this, and I'm dumping my old CCTV camera just because this is made in Bharat and that was made in China, and this one is truly made in Bharat. Let me just quickly unbox this. I'm opening this for you. Just give me a minute. So there's one box over here. Let's keep it aside, and let's remove everything else from inside. The back cover is a big one, so I have to remove it part by part, but I'll show you the camera. Okay, we don't need this box anymore, and we don't need this thermocol. So this is the pamphlet which I found from inside. It shows how to work it and all the app and every settings over here. We'll keep this aside. So this is the first box. What do we expect? Wow, there's a charger with this. There's a 0.2A 5-watt charger, 5-watt 1A. Yep, as you can see, 5-watt 1A. I'm not sure if you're able to see. Let me tilt it a little bit more, but it's a 5-watt 1A charger, and it's a type C charger. Good for that. So it will get charged. It's not battery operated, so you have to connect this type C. So this is a beautiful camera. As it showed on box, it didn't justify it, but it looks beautiful. So as you can see, this can move up and down. I'm not forcing it now, let it synchronize itself, but it can go up and down easily, and it can rotate also like this. I'm able to see that. So this is the power charging point, This is the base. You can put it, even mount it on any of the places also if you want to. Let me see. Yep, I missed out on this. There is the mount for that. And I don't know what is this. That's thermocol, sorry, cardboard. And they are given screws also to go ahead and mount it in the wall. And you can also keep it anywhere. This looks more elegant than mounting it anywhere. And let me see the other options over here. Yep, I was checking this only. There is the memory card option. And if you see the red color, it's catching on easily. This is the memory card option where you can put up to 256, and it does have cloud sync also. I would go ahead and check and put on some videos for you later on how this works and what is the night vision like. I'll make a video for that, but now you'll be waiting, that you have been waiting for such a long time on the video to check what is the timing for this. Sorry, let me rephrase myself. You want to know what is the price for this, am I right? Okay, the timing and price, I'll say it comes within 1 day on Amazon if you go ahead and order in Bangalore. And about the price, you may take a guess. It's made in India, so you think it will be costly. There's an Amazon offer going on now where you can get this for 899 only. There's no charges. Usually you get it for 1004, 1005 or maximum 2000, but this one 256 GB supported CCTV camera, which is so beautiful, elegant, and made in India for your own privacy, comes just for 899. I'm not promoting it or anything. It's not like they gave me the thing in free, of course, but I went ahead and purchased it myself, and I was wondering like if you can get any other made in India products for that much. Even the iPhone which you get, it's made in India, but you get expensive only. But this one made in India, you're getting for a very good price, and I would suggest you can go for it. And if you did like this video, and if you are interested in my channel, it would be of great support if you do like, subscribe, and share the video also with someone you love. And until next time, this is Kamal and you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and you do have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you there.